are wed bankrupt. During any study of any topic, there are questions that should not be avoided. When you are studying demons, it's a very, very complex subject, very difficult, because it is regarded to be a mysterious kingdom with mysterious beings carrying out mysterious activities. That is what makes the study of demons a bit complicated. But we're going to try to raise some questions out of that and try to answer them one by one. But here is one of the most important questions that you need to ask yourself when you study demons. Now that you know that demons are there and demons are real, remember what I told you, that if you meet a person who doubts the existence of demons, it means he has one. Because that's the strategy of the enemy. When he gets to any place, he makes himself disappear. When a demon gets into you, it makes you believe that it is absent. So you cease to believe in the existence of demons, especially if you have one. It blocks every information, every clue, any prophecy that can open your eyes to the reality of the presence of that demon. Demon will make you doubt its presence and even its existence. But this is the most important question. Now that you know and you believe demons are there and demons are real, it is not a myth. It's not a fairy tale. These are not stories. These are not jokes. Demons are real. Demons are there and demons are working. If demons are there and if demons are real, it means their work is also real. Demonic operations are real as demons are real. But here's the question. Who gets possessed? Who gets possessed? That's a very strong question that at some point you need to ask. Yes, demons are there, evil spirits, contrary spirits, unclean spirits. But who gets possessed? Who gets possessed? Who is their target? Okay. You are not the only demonic target. Because if I start by saying human beings are the ones to be possessed, that's common knowledge. We know as we know. You are not the only target. You are not their only target. Demons are targeting several other things that are not you, but somehow connected to you. If a demon cannot possess you, it can then possess something that you possess. And by possessing that possession, you end up possessing the demon that possesses that thing. An illustration. Let's say a virus cannot get into your system. Knowing for sure that if you have a virus in your blood, the way that you are structured and programmed by God is compromised when you now have a virus in you. So if the virus cannot get into you and then it gets into your computer, it is now your computer now that is affected. And if your computer that you use every day gets affected, that is going to affect your work. And when your work is affected, you get affected. So, you don't have a demon coming to possess you. The demon has now come to possess something that you possess. So, at the end of the day, you simply by having the computer that is possessed by a devil, claim that you own it. It means you own everything that is inside there, including the demon that is working from your computer. That's how we carry demons into our houses. Demons, because they know that they are not welcome in your house because of too many prayers, too much fire of the Holy Ghost.